And welcome to the Fast Break Kids. Logan just woke up. I am Wiley, here with Logan, here with Mikayla, here with Jared. And
we're watching Sinbad?
No. Welcome to the Fast Break Kids. I'm Wiley, here with Hayley. And don't worry, we're not watching Sinbad.
Hi there, may I take your order, please?
Yes, you may.
Like you'd be so lucky. I found some interesting videos that I wanted to show you. Videos that are strange, scintillating, action-packed, and also jaw-dropping. I'm actually, you know what? I should actually put on the right shirt. Hold on.
It is your Earth Day
being
shirt.
as it is not Earth Day, but it might as well be. Every day's an Earth Day, right? Yes, indeed. So, in honor of that,
I'm so scared.
I have a few videos here to show you about the amazing things that go on our planet. It's gonna be a little strange at times, but you know what? It's all real.
What's the rating on this?
It's all real.
Video.
This is PG-13 ish. All right. You can be the decider on what you think it should be rated, as well as you at home. And of course, the only place to find any of that is in the animal kingdom, dark web. Now, like I said before, off camera, it's not Steiner level stuff. But then again, what is Steiner level stuff besides anything involving Scott Steiner?
And I'm not normal.
Say what you want about his wrestling abilities. He knew how to talk.
And he knew how to do math. Or at least in his mind, he thought he knew how to do math. Well, we're gonna start here, and this is we're gonna start with something one of the stranger things you'll see. All right, just to kind of get the ball rolling a little bit, you know, and it just whatever you feel, just let it go. You ready for this? All right, here's the first one.
I'm on the edge of my seat.
He's already on the edge.
The pearlfish is vulnerable out in the open, so while not feeding, it must conceal itself. But it has a particular taste in hiding places.
No. It's gonna go in
his
anus.
Sea cucumber, which feeds on the sea floor.
All right.
Its body is basically a living tube. It sucks in sand and
No.
just what the pearlfish has been.
Is it going to go in its butt?
But not the mouth end. It's drawn
Not the mouth end. All right.
No.
Dude, come on. I don't.
I do not like that image. Ew.
It's in the morning. What do we watch? This is horrible. Oh, gosh.
Sea cucumbers are repulsive to most predators, so the pearlfish is safe inside. It'll stay there until it's time to feed again. It doesn't harm its host, but the bad news for sea cucumbers is that pearlfish are happy to share their temporary home with others.
This sea cucumber is smuggling several pillfish across county lines.
Sir, can you step outside the vehicle, please? What? I don't know if you heard what the man was saying, but they were that was the rear end of the sea cucumber.
Yeah,
in case you didn't know.
No, I know. That was the full-on booty hole that they just went through for safekeeping until they're hungry again.
That poor sea cucumber doesn't even have any arms and legs to protect itself.
The guy's verbiage is very cheeky, very tongue-in-cheek. It's disgusting. The visual is disgusting.
Ew. That's so gross. It's like...
You do it.
That's
horrible, dude. I'm really. That's what you wanted to show me?
No, there's more.
Okay, I was gonna say you brought me over here in the morning so I could watch that.
Sea cucumber in the pearl fish. This is nature, all right.
It's
this
like
is
an underwater
real life.
cactus. It's like an underwater cactus.
Real life. Now we're going to switch over to something actually a lot more action packed. All right, we're moving away from the strangeness. I just wanted to dip our toes in the water there before we get banned from YouTube for showing that. That's BBC, all right. That's some big time stuff, and they're showing that on TV. So YouTube, don't ban us.
To do that, here,
They're so
wolves
cute.
must work together.
Look at him.
The growing pup needs
Doesn't that make you want a dog, Wiley?
Oh man, no.
You're not a dog person, are you?
They're cool.
And to catch that, they must hunt as a pack.
How did we get from this to Nene?
That's a really good question. Oh!
What is going on
What
here?
is that?
Adult hares may be easy to spot, but they're far from easy to catch.
Do they walk like that a lot?
Alright, is he gonna make it?
Who? The rabbit?
Yeah.
No.
Wow. This is great footage. This is actually incredible footage, man. Holy moly.
Catch one.
You can't catch a little rabbit?
You know how fast rabbits are?
They're wolves!
Look at that thing go!
They're so slow. It's crazy to me. Oh my gosh.
Look at him move!
Oh, no, they got him. He's in trouble now.
Where's your hole? Why don't they have a hole? Don't they have holes?
That's your home! Are you too good for your home?
Get him, get him. Let's go.
Oh, dude.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, the moves.
To bite the hare's tail. But a hare can change direction in an instant.
He's trying to bite at him. It's got some of its fur in his mouth.
If they continue to sidestep and kick, it may ultimately outlast them.
Ow. Guess I was wrong. He got away. What a lucky rabbit.
No way.
Finally, it gets away.
He did it.
Juke. Juke.
Oh, it's Juke City.
He should have been a running back out there in the NFL.
You know, if he's still alive.
He's like a little baby bunny. A bunny.
So, wow. You know,
I think I like the butthole one better.
it was...
If I'm being honest.
Is that it?
No. I have one more, Jared.
Okay.
This is the top. I saw this video and I thought, my gosh, I have to show somebody this. Buckle up, because we got another action movie moment right here, okay? So please close your eyes again as I cue up the next vid.
I mean, the sea cucumber is kind of good. Like,
No, I'm not getting you a sea cucumber for your birthday.
thank you. I don't need things going up its booty hole to have safekeeping.
Logan, I would love to introduce you to the Alaskan geese. Most importantly, and interestingly enough, they're chicks.
They're chicks.
Spring has arrived here.
All right. Alaskan geese. Is this the same show across the whole thing? No.
And that's bad.
I love nature documentaries.
She's lost 30% of her body weight.
It happens.
You know.
For this family.
The greatest challenge is still to come.
Why they, that music is horrible.
The parents chose to nest on this 400-foot pinnacle. If the chicks
They're eating each other. Look at that. Nom, 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 nom.
Where she goes, they follow.
They can't fly.
Woo!
Cowbunk.
Oh, what? That's depressing.
Doing it!
I'm doing it!
Oh my goodness, his little legs. No! No!
Get out of here. Is this real speed? No!
What?
Is it a...
Incredibly, it survived. But it's stunned
He hit the ground so hard.
and now dangerously exposed.
Nah, dude, come on, man. You just survived that? Where's the mama thing?
The way it landed was so ungracefully. Ka-thunk.
Shot out of a cannon.
But you saw him flapping his wings. He
Ragdoll,
was
dude.
trying so hard. He's like, I can do it.
No. No! Freaking idiot, dude. Make me watch this?
Why would someone make this video?
Now hope rests with the other two.
Oh, that guy was the scapegoat.
There goes the next one.
The back of the spire is a shorter drop,
Jeez, why, dude?
but it's much harder to avoid the rocks.
Oh no! It's pachinko. It's Barnacle Bird pachinko.
That is so... I'm just seeing a chick fall to its death.
The third and last surviving chick.
Third time's the charm.
Why does it just do that? I'd be like, Mom, Dad, come get me. Its little legs.
Please tell me this one at least makes it. We gotta have at least one of them make it.
He's so cute. They just look
I'm gonna make it.
so graceful.
It looks like it's just floating.
Can't the parents like...
Look at that shot!
Nice.
Aw.
Oh no! No!
Don't worry, that one still can survive.
Wiley!
Hey,
catch
Mom.
it! No!
I'll see you at the bottom, Mom. Oh, he's hitting those rocks so hard. Oh, he's alive!
Dad!
That is so...
It's still fun. Oh! Oh. Lord. Is that salt?
Snow.
Snow. Wow.
The
Okay.
snow cushions the impact, but offers no grip.
He looks like Roberto Duran right now, dude.
Oh, he's out. He's out. He was up.
After that hit. Dude, dumbest parents ever, dude.
What are you doing? Has no control.
Looking. He made it!
He did. That was so sad.
It was a roller coaster of emotion.
And it's so shocking.
Yeah.
Because they just free fall into rocks.
That was incredible. Wow. Yeah.
I don't know what those things are made out of. Some sort of titanium.
I know.
It's like those old folks who were like, man, you don't even know what it was like growing up. We were jumping off.
We were jumping off of cliffs
just to survive.
You know how my grandpa taught me to swim? He threw me in.
I really don't appreciate how they like made it look all peaceful and it was like a boom.
So nature, it's fascinating. Logan, do you have anything that you'd like to add to this before we go out?
I love it. Nature shows, love them.
It's real life. You want reality TV?
Mm-hmm. That's reality TV.
Like,
you can't stage that. Animals don't read scripts like people do.
No.
What happened there? That's real.
No.
I'm speechless.
There you go. Speechless. Truly some awe-inspiring stuff.
Why did they have to go in the sea cucumber's booty hole?
I wasn't going for sad.
Well, yeah, you were.
It was.
Well, the bunny one was like the bunny was ugly. It was a hare. It wasn't like a cute little bunny. A bunny.
Thanks for tuning in. Yeah. Of course, you can always check us out on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and Twitch. Logan is a mainstay on the show
at this point.
Especially when we do the Twitch, we stream.
Yes.
Check out some of our old highlights from our Twitch channel with Logan and I playing Pokemon Go. Or when we...
Pokemon Snap.
Yeah, Pokemon Snap. Sorry.
I still think that's one of the best streams so far.
Pokemon Snap was a great one. We had a lot of fun with that.
The stream where I lost in Mario Party,
severely,
man,
that was a good video. That's on our YouTube page too. The night that Logan got totally destroyed by Mario Party, but we got lots of stuff on there, so be sure to check it out. For Logan, I'm Wiley. This has been the Fast Break Kids. Keep it clean, keep it fresh, keep it fun. See you next time. Next time when we jump off a cliff with Arctic geese.
Vote for Donnelly! Every vote counts.
Yeah, splice it in, dude. What? He gives away.
Thank you, little roots. Please stay strong.